Good morning students. This is our Metha solutions and it is our channel. Now trigonometry में previous sections में we have completed standard angles, complementary angles and identities and conversions also. Now especially in NCERT syllabus 8.4 में 5th bit में 10th sum. This is the last sum in that bit. 5th bit में there are 10 sums are there. Now we have to prove this because prove the following identities. See, here 3 terms are there. This whole term is equal to this term is equal to this term. In previous bits up to 1st to 9th only 2 things will be there, left hand side and the right hand side. Now here we have to prove this the whole thing into is equal to tan square A. Now we are writing here 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. See, 1 plus tan square A is equal to our second identity sec square A by 1 plus cot square A. Cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Now sec square A can be sec square A, you can write like this, divided by cosec square A. Sec square A is equal to 1 by cos square A divided by cosec square A is equal to 1 by sin square A. 1 by cos square A into reciprocal sin square A by 1, that is equal to sin square into sin square A by cos square A is equal to tan square A. So we have proved that this entire term 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. Now we are going to prove this thing into tan square A. See, 1 minus tan A whole square, expand A minus B whole square. 1 square means 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A by this thing 1 minus cot A whole square means 1 plus cot square A minus 2 cot A, expansion A minus B whole square formula. Now see, our 1 plus tan square A is equal to here we have converted as sec square A. We can write sec square A minus 2 tan A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A minus 2 cot A. Now hereafter a very much important point is all this value should be converted into sin cos. Maximum is maximum in this chapter, in this exercise 90% we have to convert the exclusive sin and cos, other values we have to convert them into sin and cos, then only it is easy to find out the things. Now sec square A minus 2 tan A, sec square is equal to 1 by cos square A minus 2 into sin A by cos A, tan A is equal to by cosec square 1 by sin square A minus 2 into cos A by sin A, that is equal to here 1 by cos square A. Here take LCM cos A cos square A. Cos square A is the LCM because highest power, and then cos square A common and 1 is there minus cos A में cos A times चले गया. So this cos A into 2 sin A, 2 sin A cos A. Understand? Here we are doing LCM and then here sin square A LCM. Here sin square A common 1 minus sin square A में sin A times it will go and the sin A into 2 cos A, 2 sin A cos A, and then this is the fraction divided by this fraction. So this fraction into reciprocate 1 minus 2 sin A cos A by cos square a into, this is reverse, sin square a by 1 minus 2 sin a cos a. So this and this cancel, and then remaining sin square a into 1 by sin square a by cos square a into 1 cos square a, that is equal to tan square a. So sin square a by cos square is equal to tan square a. We have proved like the easiest way. There are so many ways to solve these equations, to solve the sums, but which is the shortest way, you have to think and you have to plan. According to the plan, within 3 to 4 minutes entire sum will be completed. For another sum now only. Now students, this is the 8th sum, same 8.4, 5th bit, 8th sum. Sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. We have to prove it. We are taking the left hand side values. Now see, this is a plus b whole square, expand in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a into in between 2ab, a square b square 2ab plus this thing also cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. Now here sin a into cosec a inverse functions. We know that sin a into cosec a is equal to 1. This is 1. Like this here, cos a into sec a are inverse functions. When two inverse functions are multiplied, you will get 1. Here also 1. Now sin square a. So I am transposing cos square a this side here plus cos square a. Just to change the places only. And then plus cosec square a plus, and then this sec square a plus 2 into 1 2 plus here 2 into 1 2. Now we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. This whole thing, first identity, 1 plus cosec square a plus sec square a plus 2 plus 2. Now see, cosec square a and sec square a are in the second and third identities. See, sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, and then cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. Why we have to change? Because we have to prove it here tan square a and cot square a. That's why we have to convert these two things into tan square a and cot square a form. Like that, 1 plus cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a plus sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a plus 2 plus 2. See, how many numbers are there here? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7 is equal to 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. Proved. Because same thing only you had to prove it there. So here an important point is all three identities are we are using here. Here one identity, and then here one identity like cosec square a one identity, and sec square a also one identity. We have only three identities, main identities. All three main identities are we are implementing in this sum. Understand? Right. Students, same 8.4 in trigonometry में continuing. और 8.4 में 5th bit का 6th sum, square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. We have to prove it. This square root belongs to total fraction, both numerator and denominator. Now write this, square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, extend the root, and then here we have to go for rationalization. See, what is the rationalized factor of the denominator is 1 plus sin a. The same two terms and just change the symbol, reverse the symbol. Minus is the plus. Here suppose plus is there, here you have written minus, and then same thing should be multiplied with this numerator also, 1 plus sin A. Now it is square root of 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square by A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. So 1 square minus sin square A, that is equal to square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by, what is 1 square minus sin square A? It is a first identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now 1 square minus sin square A is equal to transpose cos square A. This is cos square A, that is equal to, this square root belongs to both numerator and denominator also. So here this square root of 1 plus sin A whole square is equal to this square and root cancel, and this square and root also cancel. 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now the cos A is the whole denominator of this numerator 1 plus sin A. So split the fraction, that is called 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Now 1 by cos A is equal to sec A, because sin and cos and sec are inverse functions. Sec A plus sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Some other balance sums are there, 3-4 important sums are there, that also we are going to discuss. And now students, in our next class, the other sums of the same exercise will be continued. And then please do subscribe our Medha Solutions channel, and then like the video and share the video and hit the bell icon, and then you will get all my videos as notifications absolutely free. Thank you.